We expected gold to rise a bit and see it has achieved 1708 levels. At the same time, US 30 and US 100 both trading well within range, failing to go past 31,700. I told you today morning about 12,300 also. Only bullishness is seen. If you see it trading above these levels, definitely one can remain long. And precisely respecting these levels, they are trying to trade within range, waiting for the NFP. Now, what is going to happen? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators what can be expected out of NFP, and yes, whether the charts indicate the same in advance, we will see soon. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the price. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and in the end Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully. This is the hourly charts for gold and it is looking forward to show a drop here. That is what it is coming out of this channel. Let's see if it does. And yes, if you see it trading below 1702 again, possibly you can go short itself, or rather once you see it trading below 1704 you can go short, but then 1700 and 1698, watch out for 1698, 1695. Only below 1695 it will call for further drop. It appears we might see a little bearishness. On the upside, the only bullish entry is above 1708. Directional movement moderately bullish here. Stochastic is overbought. Look, it is overbought. It is showing a vertical drop. Possibly we may see a good drop soon. The MACD is trying to converge. It has seen a high. It is trying to converge. See, the contradictory indicators we might get soon. Let's have a look into further detail in 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour charts. RSI comfortable. And if you look at the 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts, look at these three candles. The bullishness has diminished here and only possibility of a long entry is above 1708. Beyond that you can expect 1710, 12, 15 till 1715. It is not considered as bullish here, as I told you in the morning also. On the downside, support here at 1702 is strong. Below that we can see 1698, 1695. 1695 is the ultimate support for the day. Below that you can expect it to act more bearish out there. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge crossover. Stochastic overbought, looking forward to come down, and only if it breaks below we can see a little drop. Directional movement is bullish, it is divergent. RSI comfortable, and if you look at the 3 hour chart, similar is the observation there. And you can see that the bullishness is diminishing here, but at the same time it is trying to respect this channel. Only if it breaks past this zone at 170403 you can go short and expect 1700, 1698 as a very good support, and below that 1695. Remember, if it breaks only 1695 then you can remain bearish further, and then you can expect a sharper drop. On the upside, above 1708 you can stay long. Directional movement is bearish. See, with the data we may see one candle which may show you a very strong swing. Do not trade the NFP as soon as the data arrives, because the direction it takes in few seconds will be the opposite direction in which it wants to trade. In general, it tries to close the trades on the opposite side of it. So trade with caution. Stochastic overbought, looking forward to crossover for a sell. MACD is divergent and it is bullish. It is 3 candles apart. We may see it continuing this. RSI trading flat. And on the 4 hour charts also, similar is the formation. It has seen this high, lower highs, trying to take a drop. Only bullishness is seen if it trades above 1708. Go long, then 1712, 1715 levels can be seen. Till the time it trades below, yes, you can go short below 1704 levels. Below that you can expect 1700 and 1698 as a very good support. Only below 1695 you can expect it to drop, then a sharp drop till towards 1690 levels can be seen, and below that we may see bears out there. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic near to overbought, rather entering into overbought levels, but remember MACD is diverging and it is bullish, hence you have to be very cautious there with the drops there. RSI is also at the comfortable levels. On the daily charts, now look at this. On the daily charts, stage is perfectly set for a drop, and dropping from here, once it drops below 1695 it is going to give you a very strong drop, taking it towards 1680. Remember this fact. It has seen the highs there, it has perfectly seen the lower highs. Only breaking this zone at 1710, 1712 you can expect that we may see little reversal, and then you can consider that this is the reversal you all are waiting for. Direction movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold, and this is one observation that it may try to continue and try to bounce back from here. That is the only one indicator which is giving an indication that we may see a reversal, but the reversal confirmation is only if it trades above 1708 to 1712 zone and then 1715 levels. If it breaks, then you can confirm that this is the reversal you all are waiting for. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has seen the bottom, trying to come out of it. Considering this, yes, you can go short below 1704, but remember 1700 and 1698 very strong support. Then 1695 the ultimate support. Below 1695 it may break heavily towards 1690 and 1680 levels. Take your positions accordingly. On the upside, you can go long at 1708. Expect 1712 levels providing it a resistance, 1715 the next resistance, and then beyond that we may see it flying for 1720 25 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with caution, trade with a stop loss. Do not forget to put the stop loss at cost. Trade accordingly. And if you want to learn the art, you can join my mentorship batch. 15-day session, lifetime support is what you will get. Or else, if you just want to appreciate the effort, you can become a and just support the effort and you can become a patron. The patron site link is mentioned in the channel and video description. There are also second tier where you can support my effort by becoming a consulting patron, and you can definitely profit out of the signals and the direction out there. Directional movement is bearish here on the see. Now let's start with Nasdaq 100, and first let's begin with the hourly charts here. On the hourly charts, see, very clear, it is trying to trade within this zone 12200 to 12300. It is clearly a no trade zone, very clear out there. Yes, you can take a short entry at around 12 to 230 if you see it trading below, but then 12200 is a very good support, 150 is a good support, 100 is a good support. And yes, if you see it trading about 12320, yes, you can go long at the same time. So in between 12320 and 12230, you should avoid the trades. Very clear directional movement, deciding to trade. And stochastic looking downwards. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a sell entry. Let's see if it does. RSI is comfortable. So see, it is with the rise yesterday, it has cooled off the indicators which are trading oversold, and it has created a base. So this has seen a retracement. You can see on the 2-hour chart, it has seen a high. It is still trying to trade in this channel. Only if it breaks past 12320, you can stay long. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, see, it has created a wall out there at 12300. Told you multiple times, this is the resistance. Yesterday also I told you these levels, and see, it is giving you lower lows and trying to sustain these levels. Anytime if you see it dropping below 12230, go short, and 12200 is the first target. Trade with the stop loss. Remember, trail with the stop loss. It can give you good swings. It can give you very good swings. Do not trade with the NFP. NFP, as I said, with the data, it may swing very volatile. So 12200 is the next target, 12150 and 12100. These three levels you should watch out for. Only below 12100 it will call for more bearishness. As I said yesterday, if it drops below today, if it drops below 12150, you can stay short, you can close your eyes, stay short, and one can expect again 12100, 12050 and 12000 levels. Direction movement is still bearish. Stochastic was overbought, trying to trade with a drop. MACD trying to converge here. RSI trading comfortable. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see, it is trying to trade with the wall out there. It is giving you lower highs there, lower lows there. If it breaks below 12230, go short, and if beyond 12320, go long for 12400 is the next target. 12500 is the next target. Below 12230, see, if it drops below 12200, it can trade for 12100 and then 12000 levels also. Direction movement bearish. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. MACD is trying to diverge, and it is trading with a bullish note here. Let's see if it tries to convert in the next candle. RSI trading flat there. And on the 4-hour charts, you can look, it is giving you flat bottom out there and a flat top in between these zones. Do not trade. Let it break on the either of this side. Possibly it may try to reverse from here, and 12200 is a good support. As I said, 150, 100 till 100 it has got very good support. If it breaks below 12100, it will going to drop strongly on the downside. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic is overbought, can drop from here. MACD is divergent and it is still bullish. RSI is comfortable there on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see the previous candle leaving a tail behind and almost giving a star formation. But look at this. See, it is still failed to break past this channel, and it is still trying to trade in this channel. So only if it sustains below 12300, above 12300, remember 12350 is the 100 period moving average, and then 12400. These two levels also you should note out very strong resistance till 12400. So above 12300, 12400 is the level you should watch out for. On sustaining beyond 12400 today, you can confirm that this is the bullish reversal you are waiting for, and then one can expect 12500 as the ultimate target. Beyond that it will fly. So be watchful of 12400. Even achieving 12350, 400, it can reverse any point of time. So what it can try to do, it can try to give you this formation 12400, and then on the downside 12100 levels can be a very good support. Directional movement bearish here. Stochastic is oversold, trying to come out of this. It is given a hint with the yesterday's bullish move. MACD is still divergent, still bearish, and still trading oversold. RSI near to bottom. Considering this, go long at 12320, go short at 12230. Till 12100 you can tail the stop losses, and below 12100 we can expect a further drop, and this time it may try to take it below 12000 levels also. On the upside, go short at 12320, expect 12350 as the first target, 12400 as the next target. Beyond 12400 it is going to remain bullish for the rest of the day. We may see 12500, 550, 600 levels. The next resistance is at 12600. If it breaks past 12400, the next resistance is at 12600, and then 12800. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trading stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Again, US 30 on the early charts, giving you higher lows, flat top. 31700 is standing as a wall out there, sustaining about 31700. Stay long and it is going to fly. Below 31600, go short there, and then you can expect 31500 level as a very good support, and below that we may see it crashing again for 31450. 450 is a good support, another good support, and below that we may look forward to a sharper drop. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic near to overbought levels. MACD trading with very little divergence and may converge from here. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, so again see 31700. I have told you yesterday also, I am telling you again, and I told you earlier also, 31700 is a very good support level now, and now it is going to be the resistance. If you see it trading above 31700, stay long for 31800, and then directly it will land to 32000 levels. On the downside, you can go short here. See, one thing is clear, above 31720 you can go long, and above 31600 you have to go short for 31500 as a good support. Below that it may come back to 31450 and 31370 levels. Below that it is going to crash for 31200 levels. Directional movement is moderately bearish, stochastic is overbought, MACD is divergent and it is still bullish. It may start to converge from here. RSI trading flat here, indicating not really anything. See, now look at the 3-hour charts. One big candle, consolidation, and this time another big candle might take it till towards 32000. Go long at 31720. If you see it trading above 31720, stay long with the stop loss at 31550, and you can expect it to hit 31800 and then 32000 levels also. It can give you equally big candle what we have seen yesterday, almost 400 points, 300 points. You can expect almost 300, 400 points today again. Go long about 31720 and expect it to rise more. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is overbought and it is looking downwards. At the same time, on the upside, see, it is acting as a wall. It can give you a symmetry and it can reverse also, equally possible. So either which ways it gives, it is going to give you a stronger candle and similar size of candles. So almost 300 points you can count from those levels. Stochastic overbought looking downwards. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is comfortable there. It has come out of the oversold zone. And look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see, higher lows, flat top. It has to break out. Only waiting for it to break out beyond 31720. Beyond that, you can expect 31800 as the first resistance, and then beyond that 32000 levels. On the downside, go short at 31600. Expect 31500 as a support, 31450 the next target. Then below that we may see 31350 and 200 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is overbought here. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bullish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is comfortable. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, look at this. It is creating a tail here. Now see, it has created a tail out there trying to rise, and if it trades beyond 31720, possibility exists that it can try to hit 31800, possibly till 31800 also. There is a possibility of a reversal, and on the downside 31300 should provide 300, 350 should be a very good support. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold, trying to come out. MACD is still bearish and trying to stay divergent. RSI is the bottom. Considering this, go long at 31720, go short at 31600. In between these 120 points, stay away. Above 31720, 31800 as the first target, 32000 as the next target. Below 31600, 50 and 500 are the two targets, and below that 400 350 levels will come into picture. Below that we may see a very good drop till towards 31,200 and below levels. In between these 120 points, do not trade. Also, do not trade the NFP. Wait for a little while for it to take a direction and then only take a position. It may give you a opposite picture and then reverse the trend. So please trade with caution. Please trade with a stop loss. Please trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much and have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.